द कंजंक्शन, कंजंक्शन क्या होती है? कंजंक्शन एक ऐसा वर्ड है विच ज्वाइंस टुगेदर टू वर्ड्स और टू क्लॉजेस। वो या तो दो वर्ड्स को या दो क्लॉजेस को आपस में ज्वाइन करता है, इसको हम कंजंक्शन बोलते हैं। आई ईट ब्रेड एंड बटर, मैं ब्रेड एंड बटर खाता हूँ। सो सो आई ईट ब्रेड एंड बटर, सो दो वर्ड्स कौन से हैं अलग अलग? ब्रेड एंड बटर। सो कंजंक्शन क्या करेगा? कंजंक्शन उन दोनों वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करेगा। सो आई ईट ब्रेड एंड बटर, टू एंड टू make four. So what is the purpose of a conjunction here? The purpose of a conjunction is to join. So when it joins, it becomes conjuncting words. So conjunction is nothing more than something or a word which joins the other word. It is known as a conjunction, right? Good. God made the country and man made the town. So God has made the country and man has made the towns. So again a conjunction. So ultimately, what do we call a conjunction is? A conjunction is something which joins either two words, two phrases, or two clauses. Right? So for example, I say Ria and Seema are intelligent girls. So I am joining two words with the same sentence meaning. So if I put the word and, it is called as conjunction. Why? Because it acts as a connector. ये connector की तरह काम करता है, right? So कितनी तरह की conjunctions होती हैं? Conjunctions primarily चार तरह की होती हैं: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions, and compound conjunctions. So we start with correlate first. So conjunctions which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. Correlative. So ठीक है, जो पेयर्स में यूज करते हैं, ईदर और, नीदर नॉर, बोथ एंड, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो। सो कौन कौन सी कंजंक्शंस हैं? कंजंक्शंस अदरवाइज आर ऑफ फोर टाइप्स बट दीज आर यूज्ड इन पेयर्स। इसको हम कोरिलेटेड कंजंक्शन कहते हैं। सो व्हाट डू वी से? ईदर ही इज अ फूल और ही इज अ neither a borrower nor a lender be. Both and he was both praised and rewarded, right? So ये चार तरह की conjunctions हैं. First one is correlated. Second one is compound conjunctions. Compound, the name suggests itself. Compound expressions used as compound conjunctions are called compound conjunctions. We eat in order that we may live, ताकि हम जिंदा रह सकें. I shall lend you money provided that you return it within a week. He walks as though he is lame. He worked hard so that he might pass. He ran as if he had been shot. So conjunctions are mainly divided into two major categories: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. So दो categories में हम compound conjunctions को divide करते हैं. Coordinating जो join कर सकती हैं, और subordinating जो join नहीं करती but they act as subordinates. So coordinating conjunctions. These join together words, phrases or clauses of equal rank. They are of four kinds. Coordinating conjunction भी आगे चार तरह की होती हैं. कौन कौन सी? Cumulative. The name states itself, cumulate. These show addition of a fact or a statement to another. They are and, well, now, no less than, as well as, both and, not only but also, to, etc. as. So cumulative conjunction. Adversative conjunctions. Adverse जो adverse दिखाती हैं हमें, जो हमें contrast दिखाती हैं किसी भी दो statements में. So I can say these show a contrast between two statements. They are whereas, while, but, yet, still, only, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, etc. These express oppositional contrast between two statements. किसी भी दो statements के बीच में contrast दिखाती हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? What do we call them? We call them adversative conjunctions. So if I say I knocked at the door but nobody answered, he is rich. Still or yet he is not content. All were against him. Nevertheless, he did not change his opinion. He is rich, whereas his father was very poor. Alternative conjunctions. These express an alternative or a choice between two statements. So किसी भी दो statements में वो alternative या choice दिखाते हैं. They are else, otherwise, either or, neither nor, etc. ये सब चीजें alternative conjunction का part है. She must weep or she will die. So alternative conjunction. I have neither a pen nor a pencil. Alternative conjunction. Either Reena or her brother has taken your book. So alternative conjunction. You must work hard, otherwise you may not make the grade. So alternative. Illative. Illative कौन सी होती हैं? These show that one statement or fact is inferred from the another. So what do they show? They show कि जो एक statement और एक fact है वो हमने किसी दूसरे से लिया है. So it has been taken from the other one. दूसरे से लिया है. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Illative. These are therefore for, so, then, etc. My cycle was punctured, therefore I was late for school. So किससे रिलेशन लिया है? किसी और लाइन से. साइकिल कुछ और दिखाता है, स्कूल इज समथिंग एल्स. सो ही डिड नॉट वर्क, सो ही फेल्ड. राइट? सो अलग अलग चीजें. सो दीज शो दैट वन स्टेटमेंट और फैक्ट इज इन्फर्ड फ्रॉम अनदर. दूसरे से आप फैक्ट और स्टेटमेंट जनरेट कर रहे हो, ले रहे हो, ओनली देन यू यूज द कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. नेक्स्ट आर सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. Now, what do you mean? What do we mean by subordinating? So, a subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another clause, on which it depends for its meaning. जिस पे वो meaning के लिए dependent होते हैं. So, कोई भी subordinating conjunction जो है, it joins a clause. एक clause को join करती है to another clause, किसी भी दूसरी clause के साथ. On which it depends for its meaning, जिसके ऊपर वो अपनी meaning के लिए dependent होता है. He ran away because he was afraid. वो भाग गया क्योंकि वो डर गया था. This sentence contains two statements or clauses, one of which, because he was afraid, is dependent on the other. So what does this show? This primarily shows or supports the subordination. So subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions that are dependent on some other conjunction. So if those conjunctions happen, only then the subordinate conjunction will happen. Hence, the conjunction introducing the dependable or subordinate clause is called as subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction can be classified according to their meaning. कैसे classify कर सकते हैं? जैसे हम first कहते हैं time. So subordinate conjunction as per the time. So what do we call it? We state wait till or until I return. जब तक मैं वापस नहीं आता इंतजार करो. The train arrived after the signal had been lowered. जब signal lower कर दिया, train तब आई है. We stayed indoors as long as it rained. जब तक बारिश नहीं हुई तब तक हम अंदर ही रहे. He has not heard from her since she left this place. जब से वो ये जगह छोड़ के गई है हमने उससे कुछ नहीं सुना. The cause or the reason, what does it show? I will give up my claim since you insist on it. Cause, क्योंकि आपने कहा इसलिए मैं claim छोड़ रहा हूं. So it shows a cause. So subordinating conjunction क्या होती है? Something which shows time, which shows cause or reason. And let us go to bed. So क्या reason है? It is midnight. I love him because he is good. As she was not there, I spoke to her mother. So क्या reason है? क्योंकि वो वहां नहीं था तभी मैंने उसकी mother से बात की. Purpose, always speak the truth so that people may respect you. So ये purpose है, reason है. He held my hand lest I should fall. उसने मेरा हाथ पकड़ लिया नहीं तो मैं गिर जाती. He works hard in order that he may become rich. उसने मेहनत की ताकि वो रिच बन सके. नेक्स्ट इज कंडीशन. सो हरी अप इफ यू वांट टू बी पंक्चुअल. राइट, आपको जल्दी करना पड़ेगा अगर आप पंक्चुअल पंक्चुअल होना चाहते हो. आई कैनॉट ट्रस्ट यू अनलेस यू गिव इट इन राइटिंग. जब तक आप लिखित में नहीं देते तब तक मैं आपको ट्रस्ट नहीं करती. आई एग्री टू दीज टर्म्स प्रोवाइडेड यू एग्री टू माई टर्म्स. मैं इन टर्म्स पे एग्री तभी होऊंगा जब आप मेरी टर्म्स पे एग्री होगे. ही रैन एज इफ ही हैड बीन शॉट. सो वो कैसे भागा? जैसे he had been shot. So result or consequence, he was so tired that he could not walk. So ये result दिखाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि वो थक गया था इसलिए वो भाग नहीं पाया. Since he was tired, so he could not run off. The boys made such a great noise that nothing could be heard. So there was a happening and then there was a consequence of that happening. So result of that happening, right? Next is concession or contrast. Although he is poor, he is honest. This shows a contrast. हालांकि वो पुअर है फिर भी ऑनेस्ट है. सो एक कॉन्ट्रास्ट दिखाता है. यू कैनॉट डिसीव हिम however clever you may be. So it shows a contrast. However fast he may run, he cannot overtake me. Hot as it is, we must go out. Right? So what does it show? It shows a contrast or a concession. Next is comparison. He is more intelligent than you are. So what does this show? This shows a comparison. She has more money than you have. So what does this show? A comparison. He is as clever as I am. So again, what does this show? It shows a comparison. He likes me no less than you. Right? So a comparison. Extent or manner. So manner. What does the manner suggest? He behaved as he were mad. So we have used were here, he के साथ, right? So he behaves as he were mad. You will reap as you saw. जैसा बीजोगे वैसा काटोगे. So you will reap as you saw. Do as I tell you. जैसा मैं आपको बताता हूं वैसा ही करो. So these are a kind of subordinating conjunctions. So what are the different kinds of subordinate conjunctions? The subordinating conjunctions can be time, based on time, based on cause, reason, based on purpose. It can be based on condition, the result or consequence, the concession or contrast. It can be based on comparison and extent or manner. So these are the different types of conjunctions that we